Keylogging malware captured my precious passwords. I had no idea. The bad guys generally don't gotcha as soon as you click on the evil in their phishing email. Instead, they'll often install a keylogger. Now, you've probably already context-clued your way to figuring out that this malware logs every keystroke and mouse movement or click and sends it back to the mothership for analysis and subsequent orders. Just by sitting quietly in the background, the keylogger will harvest all your credentials as you go about your normal day. Up-to-date, layered security looks for both the logging behavior and network traffic of keyloggers. It's how we help clients make every day safer from cybercrime. Now do yourself a solid and click like, subscribe, and notify for even more intertraining.